Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you a quick and easy simple salad that you can make whether for lunch or dinner if you wish. We are going to be doing a juicy chicken salad right now. So here I have some chicken breast. That's what I'll be using today. Slice one breast down the middle. I get 2 pieces from each breast. So there we go, and I just season these with salt and pepper and a little powder seasoning, whichever powder seasoning that you wish to use, that's okay. And they've been here marinating for a few hours. And the rest of the ingredients that you're going to need to complete this salad, we're going to be using some olive oil. You're going to need lettuce. I'm using the iceberg lettuce, but you can use whichever lettuce that you want. I'm going to use tomato, carrot, and then I'm going to be using some of these exotic dried fruits that I have here, which I'll tell you what exactly is in it. We have dried papaya, we have dried pineapple, dried banana, dry coconut, and dry raisin. So that's what's in that. We're gonna top that off with some nice garnish. Here I have my pot preheated. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is throw a little olive oil in there, not too much, just to get our chicken going. On medium heat now, we're gonna go ahead and just put our chicken breast in there. And you just cook these until they're golden brown on each side. There we go. While that is going, we can go ahead and get the rest of our ingredients going. We're gonna cut our lettuce. So I'm just gonna cut these lettuce in some nice slices. And you can cook this chicken just like 2 minutes on each side, and you turn them over because you don't want them to burn. You're just going for a golden look. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred my carrot on this side of my grater. And add the carrot in there and just give it a little toss, just to make all the carrots distribute evenly. Then we're gonna cut the salad. And you want to toss this just to make sure that your salad is distributed evenly. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some mixed fruits for garnish on top. And now I'm going to go ahead and just cut my chicken and rest it directly on the top of the salad. And there you have it guys, a quick and easy salad that you can do for your lunch or for dinner. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick and easy video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me how you like it. Subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.